natural light can completely change how a home feels. Bright spaces feel more open, welcoming, and comfortable, while darker rooms can seem smaller and less inviting. For homeowners in Eagle looking to enhance indoor brightness without major renovations, bay windows offer a practical and elegant solution. Their design allows sunlight to enter from multiple angles, filling rooms with light and creating a more enjoyable living environment. Capturing light from multiple directions. One of the key reasons bay windows increase natural light is their unique structure. Unlike flat windows that face a single direction, bay windows extend outward and include multiple panels arranged at slight angles. In Eagle homes, this design allows sunlight to enter from different directions throughout the day. As the sun moves, light continues to flow into the room, reducing shadows and creating consistent brightness. Brightening interior spaces. Naturally, bay windows help bring daylight deeper into the room. Their extended shape allows light to spread across a wider area rather than staying confined near the window. For Eagle homeowners, this means living rooms, dining spaces, and bedrooms feel brighter and more open. Improved daylight distribution reduces the need for artificial lighting and enhances overall comfort. Making rooms feel larger and more open. Natural light has a powerful effect on how space is perceived. Bay windows create both visual depth and increased brightness, making rooms feel larger. In Eagle homes, the combination of added light and outward extension gives interiors a more spacious, airy feel. Even smaller rooms benefit from the openness bay windows provide. Softening harsh sunlight. While bay windows allow in more light, they also help soften it. The angled glass panels disperse sunlight, reducing harsh glare and creating a more balanced glow. Eagle homeowners appreciate how bay windows enhance brightness without overwhelming the space. Rooms remain comfortable and visually pleasing throughout the day. Enhancing interior design with daylight. Good lighting highlights furniture, textures, and decor. Bay windows provide even daylight that complements interior design rather than competing with it. In Eagle homes, bay windows often become focal points that enhance the room's aesthetic. Natural light improves color accuracy and adds warmth to living spaces. Creating inviting window-centered areas. The increased light around bay windows naturally draws people toward them. Many homeowners use the space for seating, reading, or simply enjoying the view. Eagle homeowners often find that bay windows create favorite spots in the home. These areas feel inviting, comfortable, and well lit throughout the day. Supporting comfort and well-being. Natural light contributes to a positive home environment. Bright interiors can improve mood and create a sense of calm and balance. By increasing daylight, bay windows help Eagle homeowners create spaces that feel uplifting and comfortable. This benefit adds to the everyday enjoyment of the home. Improving light without structural changes. Bay windows increase natural light without requiring major structural modifications to the home's layout. Their design enhances brightness while maintaining the home's footprint. For Eagle homes, this makes bay windows an efficient way to improve interior lighting without a full remodel. A smart upgrade for brighter living. Bay windows offer a timeless way to enhance natural light. They capture sunlight from multiple angles, brighten interiors, and create inviting spaces that feel open and comfortable. For homeowners in Eagle, bay windows are a smart investment in brighter living, bringing more daylight into the home while enhancing comfort, style, and everyday enjoyment.